Well, we'll see how this works out today. See if this mic works good, or if I'm gonna have to look for another option for a microphone. I'm not quite sure. Mics I've tried so far have been shit. Get some gas before I take this little detour around town. So I went online. I'm gonna put down I'll put the website information down later on. But basically went online and wanted to kind of see if there was any good routes for motorcycle riding here in New Jersey. So I'm just gonna follow the directions that were given and see if you know, how nice this route is and whatnot, you know. So last time I went out, I had my my new Insta360, and that was a bust, because if anybody has a Insta360, you know that you have the option to shoot not only in 360 but in 150 mode, I guess, as well, which is basically just using the camera facing forward, and it doesn't record anything in 360, so you can't really adjust the views or anything like that. So that kind of sucked. It was just you know, I was out with a buddy of mine, and it just seems like a lot of video was wasted, unfortunately. So where is this taking me? 280 west. Exit 8. Oh, I tell you, man, you know, the other day I went out, it was in the 60s, and man, it was cold. But right now, it's probably mid 70s. It's supposed to get up to the 80s today. And oh my God, this little breeze feels so amazing. Oh yes, it does. So we'll see what this little drive looks like. It's supposed to be a nice scenic route, so hopefully we get some nice views, and we get to enjoy some of this beautiful day. It's supposed to rain a little later, so hopefully I can get things done before the rain comes, that's for sure. That's a cool looking diner. Eagle Rock Reservation. Yeah. Whoa, buddy, put a shirt on. Oh, this is what they're talking about, these views over here. The day when people respond to terror with full hearts and helping hands. Look at this view. It's amazing. It's beautiful out there. Wish it was wasn't as hazy out there, so you could really see the sea line in the background.